Welcome to Coaching Peeps. I go by the name Peeps, and in today's class, we're going to talk about statistics. Statistics is derived from the Latin word status, which means method of dealing with qualitative or quantitative information. But according to the United Nations, statistics is a science and discipline concerned with the collection, organization, presentation, and analysis of statistical data with an eventual drawing of conclusion for empirical decision making. In other words, statistics can be defined as a discipline concerned with the treatment of numerical data derived from groups of individuals or items. Okay, let's look at biostatistics. Biostatistics is derived from the Greek words bios and metron. Bios meaning life and metron meaning measured. Hence, it is the measurement of life. Biostatistics is the application of statistical methods to health-related areas or the applications of statistical methods to the solution of biological problems. Okay, moving on, let's talk about the application of biostatistics. It can be applied to clinical trial design and analysis, which ensures rigorous testing of new treatments and technologies. It can be applied to risk factor analysis for disease, could be glaucoma. Okay, diagnostic test evaluation, which could be assessing the test accuracy and for faculty development. Okay, let's go over to sources of statistical data. We have three major sources of statistical data. They include surveys, censuses, economic and social activities. We have other sources of statistical data found in Nigeria. They include magazines, insurance statistics, economic indicators. We have annual abstract of statistics. We have NBS. We have Nigerian foreign trade summaries data and economic reviews. Moving on to the role of statistics, there are two major roles of statistics. 1. Statistics helps to reach objective conclusions in areas of study. 2. Statistics helps to know more about a certain disease. Could be ocular pressure of the eye. Let's go over to the applications of statistics. Statistics can be applied to education, anatomy, medicine, psychology, physiology, and so on. Let's head over to the types of statistics. We have two types of statistics, descriptive and inferential. In descriptive statistics, data are summarized using tables or pictorials, such as bar chart, pie chart, histogram, and so on. Okay? While in inferential statistics, we make use of information obtained from the sample taken from a population to explain the descriptive type. Example could be randomly selecting from a box of chocolates or randomly taking a spoon from a pot of rice. Okay? That will be all for now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Stay tuned for our next class.